into the interview without need for your telling about the name of the college and all.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, I will manage that.
Okay.
Um, Good evening. Now we have with us a candidate who has studied agricultural finance, and he is appearing for South Indian Bank preliminary interview through phone. He'll be getting the call through phone because so I will be talking to him to guide him about this. Now, um, you please tell me, is it after last year's campus recruitment you are being called? Is it not?
Yes, sir. It's a campus recruitment. They have asked us for submitting the applications. We have submitted those. For that, they have shortlisted and they have
They are calling
sent the
you.
mail through this mail, sir.
Very good. And you received message only today.
Yes, sir. Today we have.
And the interview will be on 4th.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That too on phone only.
Yes, sir.
Please, why don't you tell them about your Geo phone so that the number will be good. You, if necessary, you change it later on. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Very good. What is the degree you have studied?
Sir, I have studied MSc Agri, sir.
MSc Agriculture. Which
Yes.
year did you complete? 2020.
Yes, sir. 2020.
Very good. How old are you?
24, sir.
24.
Yes.
Why? There was some delay in joining in the school and all, or there was some transfers for daddy and all that?
No, sir. BSc Agri is 4 years, sir.
Oh, acha, sorry. BSc Agri 4 years and then MSc is another 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good, good. What is it you studied in MSc Agriculture?
Genetics and plant breeding.
Genetics and
Plant breeding.
uh-huh. Can you tell me what is genetics?
Sir, it's the study of uh, inheritance of genes and characters.
Acha, good. What is the other subject you said?
Plant breeding.
What is that?
It's a use of this genetics subject for improving the characters of the plants which are cultivated.
Improving the characters of the plant.
Yes, sir.
That means increasing the growth.
Yes, sir.
Output.
Yes.
That's good, good. So, what are the vegetables or other eatable items for which genetics is being used in agriculture nowadays,
Yes.
so that the production is increased to a considerable extent?
Yes, sir. In almost all vegetables crops, they are implementing this breeding techniques to increase the yields.
Oh, so improve the yield. This technique is used.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and is it good to use that genetics because it will not cause harm to people who eat that?
Sir, actually, we know that the population is increasing more. We need to supply food for everyone, so that without breeding techniques, we cannot meet it.
Oh, that is the reason.
Yes.
Very good. How come after studying MSc you are willing to join in a bank? Are you not interested in going and taking professorship and all?
Yes, sir, it's good, but for me, it's banking sector is also good.
No, but don't tell it is good. See, in the real interview, you will say, no, I had a passion for joining banking,
Yes.
and because my relatives, somebody is in bank, and also because banking offers scope for career growth,
Yes.
and and offers excellent scope for promotion opportunities.
Yes.
Above all, we have immediate job satisfaction that we are of service to people, and when we see the borrowers growing in their say business,
Yes.
we will get a lot of satisfaction. So hence I would like to join a bank. You can modify the answer to suit you.
Yes.
Very good. That's good. So next is these questions you may not be able to answer, but I would like you to note down so that you can prepare for it tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Number one, is you will observe you will go to South Indian Bank website.
Yes, sir.
You will go to South Indian Bank website. Are you before a laptop now?
Uh,
No,
no, sir.
no, doesn't matter. When you go to South Indian Bank website, southindianbank.com,
Yes, sir.
first click About Us.
Yes, sir.
When you click About Us, you will get some information about them.
Yes, sir.
For example, they will tell you their vision and mission,
Yes, sir.
then number of branches 878,
Yes, sir.
service branches 1,
Yes, sir.
extension counters 50.
Yes, sir.
You know what is meant by extension counters?
No, sir.
Extension counters means the bank will be having an extra counter in a college
Yes, sir.
or a hospital
Yes, sir.
where only one or two people will be coming and doing essential needs for those people.
Okay.
Maybe you must have had one in your college also.
No, sir.
No,
We don't have.
you did not have. Very good.
No, sir.
No problem. Then they are telling they have ATMs 1334.
Yes.
What is meant by ATM? Hello?
Hello, sir.
What is the expansion of ATM?
Uh,
Automated teller machine.
okay.
Automated teller machine. You must have seen it, that is used with the debit card for withdrawing cash.
Yes, sir.
Maybe your daddy or others must have used it.
Okay.
You talk loudly. You seem to be talking like a, say, very feeble voice. May there is no happiness. There is no joy. You
Sir.
are a young boy interested in making a good career. You must be talking with a lot of enthusiasm,
Yes, sir.
happiness.
Yes, sir.
आवाज में अच्छा see, we can see from the message itself what type of a boy is this.
Yes.
You must speak with happiness. Are you not happy in going to attend the interview?
Yes, sir. I'm happy, sir.
All these days one exam.
Yes, sir.
Now is an opportunity you have got. Normally you will get this only after writing exam and clearing those exams and all. Whereas
Yes, sir.
now you have got this, you should capitalize on this.
Yes, sir.
How many marks did you score in your degree MSc?
We have a CGPA grading system, sir. I have got 8.81.
Pardon?
8.81 out of
What
10.
a good score you have got, 8.8. Then why are you not feeling happy? Feel you are good.
Yes, sir.
You have merit in you.
Yes, sir.
You must express it out, then only people will understand.
Okay, sir.
But you may not know everything that I am asking because all these are related to banking.
Yes, sir.
But that is why I am telling you certain things which you can retain in your mind and
Yes.
then use it there.
Okay, sir.
Then I would like you to go through the vision and mission they have given in that paper.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then go through, note down
Yes, sir.
awards and recognition.
Yes, sir.
Then they have given one CSR.
Yes, sir.
CSR means corporate social responsibility.
Yes, sir.
There they have given some ideas. Please go through that. Normally,
Yes,
corporate social responsibility means helping institutions for education or helping college or hospitals and helping the society.
yes, sir.
So, what type of service are they doing?
Yes,
Just go through that.
yes,
Very good. Just a minute. Yeah. So I am in South Indian Bank website only. I'm
yes,
now
sir.
going through the About Us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then they have given some cyber tech. What is that cyber tech? Cyber tech, here they are telling about technology promotion drive of South Indian Bank.
Yes, sir.
Please go through that, what they are telling. Try
Yes,
to understand, note down important points in 5 lines,
yes,
6 lines. Because
yes,
in interview, you will not have more than 10 minutes.
yes,
And within those 10 minutes, you must be able to tell them that you have read the website and you are thorough with about knowing them.
yes, sir.
The reason why you should know about South Indian Bank is that once you are trying to join the bank,
Yes,
You
sir.
must show interest. You are interested in them.
Yes, sir.
That is why you are going through that.
Yes.
Apart from that, have you become a member of 72020? That Telegram group I wanted you to become. Please become
Yes, sir.
member.
I have joined for that.
Yeah, once you have joined, for you only, I have posted a book.
Yes, sir.
That book you download
Yes.
and read about general interview aspects,
Yes, sir.
namely, of course, the dress, etc., will not be applicable there because you are going to talk over phone.
Yes, sir.
And now look, even if you appear in person, you can impress them. But
Okay.
now when you are talking over phone, impressing them is really tough.
Yes, sir.
So you must talk loudly,
Okay, sir.
at the same time sweetly,
Yes.
with confidence,
Yes, sir.
with clarity,
Yes.
with preciseness.
Yes.
What is your native place?
It's Bangalore, sir.
Acha, Bengaluru.
Yes.
Bengaluru is known for what normally to outside world.
It's Garden City.
Apart from that,
It's Electronic City.
good. Tell that one first.
Yes, sir.
It is known as Silicon City of India
Yes, sir.
and also known as a garden city.
Yes.
Okay. What are the gardens that are there in Bengaluru?
Uh, Lal Park, Kabban Park.
Okay.
So
Only these two.
that's what I have seen.
Try to go through Wikipedia and get to know the names of parks.
Yes, sir.
What are the banks having headquarters in Bengaluru?
State Bank of India.
No, State Bank of India not headquarters. They have a local head office.
Yes.
But
Canara Bank.
Canara
Canara
Bank has
Bank.
got. Then
Yes. Karnataka Bank.
Karnataka Bank also Mangaluru, Mangalore.
Yes.
So only Canara Bank you can say.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Now what next will be some questions on. You don't have to answer me because you may not be able to answer now.
Okay, sir.
You may have to answer on say
Yes,
what
sir.
is banking? Why do you want to join bank?
Yes, sir.
What do you think is the role of agricultural finance officer?
Yes, sir.
Agricultural finance officer or probationary officer, his
Yes, sir.
role is to go through the proposals,
Yes, sir.
agricultural proposals we are receiving, analyze the proposals to check up whether it is as per the credit policy of the bank
Yes, sir.
and to sanction the recommend the loans for sanction.
Yes.
And in case you are working in a branch, you may have to help the branch in taking documents and dispersal of advances.
Okay.
Normally, in the case of agricultural advances, they do make advances for, say, cultivation. Normally, before that, they give a card known as Kisan Credit Card, KCC.
Yes, sir.
And the loans financed under for agriculture purposes are
Yes.
being refinanced by NABARD.
Yes.
NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, having headquarters in Mumbai.
Yes.
And apart from that, government is keen on improving the credit to the agriculturists. So they do have RRBs, regional rural banks.
Yes.
But banks like South Indian Bank, which are there for quite so many years, that is Kerala based, they do a great service.
Yes.
So now you will go through the website of South Indian Bank
Yes,
and
sir.
get to know about priority. What is it they are telling about advances,
Yes, sir.
deposits, etc.
Yes, sir.
and form a broad idea of what is deposits and all that.
Yes, sir.
Mainly agricultural advances, they do give us Kisan credit card.
Okay.
Kisan credit card means relating to our normal credit card where they can use it for buying, say, seeds, fertilizers, and all that.
Yes, sir.
After the crop season is over, they have to remit back that money
Yes, sir.
so that next crop season they can again use it.
Yes, sir.
So there is no need for applying every now and then.
Yes, sir.
Apart from that, agriculturists also require advance for improving the level of condition of the soil, for which maybe some extra efforts have to be made by them.
yes,
Also, for buying tractors,
yes,
they may need finance. For all these things, banks do help.
yes, sir.
All these advances come under priority sector.
Yes, sir.
Government has told
Yes,
banks should give 40% of the total advances to priority sector,
yes, sir.
out of which 18% must be given to agriculture
Okay, sir.
and allied activities.
Yes, sir.
Allied activities means giving finance for, say, that for buying of cows, bullocks, and carts and all that,
Yes, sir.
and also goat rearing,
Yes, sir.
poultry. All
Yes,
those are the allied activities, beekeeping,
yes, sir.
and these things, maintaining gardens. Gardens, of course, it will come under agriculture.
Yes, sir.
So the main focus of the agricultural finance officer will
Yes,
be to go through the proposal and to
yes,
check up whether this man has got a good credit score under CRISIL.
yes, sir.
Under CRISIL, as he got a good score of 700 and above,
Yes, sir.
and to know whether he deserves credit being given
Yes, sir.
and give credit. Sometimes, agriculturists, they come to you with their jewels
Yes, sir.
and they take a jewel loan against it.
Yes, sir.
Normally, banks will have an appraiser.
Yes,
This appraiser will evaluate the value of the, say, jewel,
yes, sir.
and based on which he will be recommending that the loan can be given up to this.
Yes,
So the disbursement will be made, and this rate varies every day because rate of gold also varies. And
yes,
such loans that are given to agriculturists are also classified as agriculture related advances.
okay, sir.
So this is how you have to explain about this.
Yes, sir.
And as a probationary officer,
Yes, sir.
in case you are posted in a branch, you will be helping the branch management in the
Yes, sir.
day to day functioning of the bank.
Yes, sir.
You will countersign the work done by the clerical staff,
Yes, sir.
like receipt of cash, payment of cash,
Yes, sir.
etc.
Yes, sir.
And apart from that, if you are posted directly to agricultural finance desk,
Yes, sir.
you will be going through the papers submitted by the customers.
Yes,
Or if you are in regional office or head office,
yes,
you will go through the papers submitted by the branches. Okay.
yes, sir.
And after going through that, you will recommend for sanction.
Yes,
This is generally about bank. Bank means what? Banking is accepting deposits from the public
yes, sir.
and making advances.
Yes, sir.
Banks also do other functions
Yes,
like providing locker facility to customers. They also undertake insurance facilities,
yes,
life insurance, general insurance,
yes,
because bank will get commission from that.
yes, sir.
So this is banking. Right now the scenario is like this. We have State Bank of India and other 11 public sector banks in our country.
Yes,
We have leading private sector banks like South Indian Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank, Federal Bank, Karnataka Bank, Lakshmi Vilas Bank. These are known as old private sector banks. And we also have new private sector banks
yes, sir.
like like Kotak Mahindra,
Yes, sir.
Yes Bank,
Yes, sir.
then what else? Say ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, and all.
Okay.
Among these, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are known as, say, very strong banks,
Yes, sir.
systemically strong banks.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is.
Yes,
And now banks, what they do, they allow you people to open savings bank account,
yes,
current account.
yes,
Current account is for business purposes.
yes,
Then they also have recurring deposit, fixed deposits.
yes,
However, banks are keen on having CASA deposits, current account savings account, because the cost is less.
yes, sir.
So this is known as current account, and fixed deposit rate is higher.
yes,
Then banks do give advance against their own deposits,
yes,
against jewels,
yes,
for purchase of houses based on the salary and the income of the person.
yes,
And in the case of housing loan also, up to 35 lakhs in metro area
yes,
and up to 25 lakhs in rural and semi-urban areas,
yes,
it is coming under priority sector. Banks do give advance for education. Loans up to 20 lakhs for education in India and abroad is now classified under priority sector.
yes,
Banks do give advance for even, say, now buying of a car, television, say your refrigerator, everything nowadays. Because the economy is not moving fast, and in order to encourage that, banks do give more finance so that people will buy more things, and so more manufacturing will be there, more employment will be there, and the economy will be moving. So this is what it is generally about banks. Now, are you getting some doubts? I have sent you a paper on bank interviews
yes,
wherein some more details about banks, Reserve Bank, and other things would have been given. You go through that
okay,
briefly.
yes, sir.
Apart from the major assignment for you is to prepare about South Indian Bank.
Okay,
Apart from that, another assignment is to learn to talk about you. Most common questions like what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why we should select you? What are the achievements you have made? Like this general questions.
okay,
Learn to be more happy and talk boldly.
yes, sir.
Are you a introvert or extrovert? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Are you an introvert or extrovert? I think you are a very shy person.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
You should not be so.
Yes,
In as much as you want to join a bank, you must be slightly more vocal,
yes, sir. Okay.
more participative.
Yes, sir.
If they ask you what are the good qualities, you
Yes,
can tell them,
yes,
like 1 minute. I have posted a blog on this
yes,
achievement motivation. Say like this, these are the qualities I have. You can boldly say,
yes,
and you must stand by that. You must tell them, I am hardworking.
yes,
I am a creative person.
yes, sir.
I am not discouraged by failures.
Yes, sir.
I take personal responsibility.
Yes, sir.
I am success oriented.
Yes, sir.
I am a positive. Will you get this job? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I will definitely get.
That sort of positive attitude should be there. I am good in time management.
Yes,
I like challenges.
yes,
I will take initiative.
yes,
And then I am a leader.
yes,
I have the ability to grasp quickly.
yes,
Like that, you must tell some good points about you.
yes, sir.
How will your professors tell about you? Supposing I phone your professor and ask him, so and so,
Yes.
what type of a boy is he? Supposing I ask, what will he tell me?
They would say that he is hardworking, uh, dedicated person.
That's a dedicated. Good.
Yes,
Because you have scored good marks, 8.8.
yes.
In the BSc, how many marks did you score?
I scored the same, sir, 8.8.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, very good. Supposing this job you are not getting, what will you be doing?
Sir, I will be preparing for other bank jobs.
Other bank jobs.
Yes.
Did you write for IBPS?
No, sir, I couldn't write this time.
Okay. Did you write for, you did not write for IBPS because you did not prepare.
Yes, sir, I
What
didn't.
is your father?
He's working in a factory, sir.
What is your mother?
She is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have?
No, sir, I am the only kid.
Only child. That is why you are very, 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 very shy. Look,
Yes,
from tomorrow you must be a more talkative person.
yes, sir.
because once you become a banker, there is a need for you to talk to many people.
Yes, sir.
You must enjoy talking to others.
Yes, sir.
Will you do that?
Yes, sir. I will definitely do.
Very good. So this type of interview, first time I'm doing,
Yes, sir.
where you got a call letter today for day after tomorrow interview,
Yes, sir.
and I'm conducting it over phone now. Now, but I appreciate you. You immediately accepted my offer and came. Good.
Yes, sir.
I appreciated this.
Yes,
Yeah. Always positive minded. Take responsibility. What is the role of PO in a branch? Is that to assist the branch manager day to day working,
yes, sir.
like overseeing the transactions done by clerical staff,
Yes, sir.
and also in case you are in the main hall, you may be receiving letters,
Yes, sir.
and you will be receiving customers, offer them seat, and
Yes, sir.
look to their demands, like say opening of account, etc.,
Yes, sir.
and also be in charge of jewel loans. Many of the
Yes,
branches jewel loans are also,
yes, sir.
so, I mean, you will recommend, it will be done.
Yes, sir.
This is what it is. Of course, you are agriculture officer. If
Yes,
you
sir.
are not in a branch, you will be doing processing of the proposals.
Okay, sir.
This is the main point. These are the main points about your interview.
Yes, sir.
Today after tomorrow, when they call you, you must talk keeping my words in mind
Yes, sir.
and talk boldly.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Imagine with what an amount of interest
Yes, sir.
I am talking over phone now.
Yes, sir.
So this much interest, why? Not because of the 100 rupees you have given me, but
Yes, sir.
to make people understand that you are interested in serving them.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Now ask questions.
Uh, Actually, I have not been prepared, sir. I have to prepare now.
Hmm.
That's what, if I get any doubts, I will text you, sir.
Yeah. Now what you should do is go through that book. Everything will not be interesting for you.
Yes, sir.
Whatever stays in your mind, read. But
Yes, sir.
before doing that,
Yes,
I would suggest you are going through all that is there in South Indian Bank website.
yes, sir. Definitely, sir. I
That
will
is
do.
the only thing required.
Yes, sir.
Even these things are not required.
Yes,
They can ask you about Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana,
yes, sir.
Atal Pension Yojana.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, general questions and what they are doing for agriculture.
Yes,
Everything you read from their website.
yes, sir.
Take down notes.
Yes, sir.
Learn to present it briefly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are supposed to make a good impression within 10 minutes,
Yes, sir.
that too over phone.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now tell me,
Yes, sir.
why do you want to join South Indian Bank?
It provides excellent opportunities, and it provides immediate job satisfaction.
Hmm, come on.
Then there are good promotions.
Yeah,
Then you could reach the good positions in short duration.
very good. Who is the governor of RBI? Shakti Kanta Das.
Yes, sir.
Governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das.
Yes,
What is RBI doing? RBI is Bankers Bank. These things are there in the notes. You
yes,
please go through that.
yes, sir.
Okay. Best
Yes,
wishes.
yes.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
After the interview is over on 4th,
Yes, sir.
you please send the list of questions they have asked.
Yes, sir.
How happy are you feeling about your in participation?
Yes, sir.
How many marks will you give for 10?
Yes, sir.
Today, are you a happy person or not?
I'm a happy person.
Very good. Then you can also go through the budget.
Yes, sir.
So that budget, regarding budget, I will post uh, an attachment in the Telegram site itself. You download from there.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
God
much.
bless you. And it is only God who has helped you, because normally I don't go through what is that email at this time of the day, like around 8 o'clock. And I just went through, you replied and immediately I got yours.
Yes.
Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Agricultural Finance Officer, AGFO, from college, campus recruitment, special recruit.